Filipino Times, to the distinguished panelists that we have today, and of course the Filipino medical professionals. I wish you all a good day, and thank you for making a part of this event, part one of the Filipino Healthcare Professionals Award Ceremony. And at the outset, I'd like to extend my apologies for not joining you in this part one summit. We are still finalizing some activities for another batch of amnesty applicants who we might repatriate again. We just finished the second batch yesterday. But please be assured that I'll be there tonight and to be with you for the awards. At this point, I'd like to congratulate once again Karen Remo for this noteworthy endeavor. And adding this summit part is a unique innovation that tackles on the very important theme of the Filipino healthcare professionals, more specifically in shaping the future of healthcare in the Philippines. This subject resonates deeply with me and countless of other Filipinos abroad as we represent healthcare professionals. But because we are known for being the leaders in the industry, but for being representative of the Filipino trait, an overall trait of resilience, compassion, and dedication. But we have to be ready to meet the demands of the future, especially here in the UAE, with all its fast-paced technological advances. And for that, we need to be continuously engaged. And it is through events organized like this, not just to recognize merit, not just to recognize success, but more importantly, to plan for the future and shape the future through innovation and knowledge transfer, bridging cultural gaps, looking for ways to maintain leadership in patient care, and of course, building partnerships here, the other nationalities, with all the other allied medical professions, and throughout the GCC. And I'm certain that with your array of speakers and the very pertinent and very timely topics that you will be tackling, we can move forward in shaping not just the future of Filipinos in the Middle East, but more importantly, their role, the Filipinos' role in actively shaping the future of healthcare in the Middle East. So with that, I won't take much of your time. I see the very tight schedule that you have and your speakers. I congratulate you and thank you for taking the time and sharing your knowledge in helping Filipinos more importantly, in the overall healthcare situation in the UAE and the Middle East in general. Mabuhay po tayong lahat, and thank you very much, and see you later tonight. Thank you.